Quizmaster.
Hi, kids. Welcome to our alphabet game. Today, we're going to look at different pictures and guess their beginning letter. Are you ready? Let's begin. What's the beginning letter? The beginning letter is E. That's right. The word elephant begins with the letter E. What's the beginning letter? The beginning letter is G. That's right. The word grapes begin with the letter G. What's the beginning letter? The beginning letter is Z. That's right. The word zipper starts with the letter Z. What's the beginning letter? The beginning letter is J. That's right. The word jet begins with the letter J. What's the beginning letter? The beginning letter is L. That's right. The word leaf begins with the letter L. What's the beginning letter? The beginning letter is M. That's right. The word moon begins with the letter M. What's the beginning letter? The beginning letter is N. That's right. The word nest begins with the letter N. What's the beginning letter? The beginning letter is S. That's right. The word star begins with the letter S. What's the beginning letter? The beginning letter is F. That's right. The word flower begins with the letter F. What's the beginning letter? The beginning letter is R. That's right. The word ring begins with the letter R. What's the beginning letter? The beginning letter is T. That's right. The word tree begins with the letter T. What's the beginning letter? The beginning letter is C. That's right. The word car begins with the letter C. What's the beginning letter? The beginning letter is B. That's right. The word bird begins with the letter B. What's the beginning letter? The beginning letter is P. That's right. The word panda begins with the letter P. What's the beginning letter? The beginning letter is X. That's right. The word xylophone begins with the letter X. What's the beginning letter? The beginning letter is O. That's right. The word orange begins with the letter O. What's the beginning letter? The beginning letter is K. That's right. The word kite begins with the letter K. What's the beginning letter? The beginning letter is D. That's right. The word drum begins with the letter D. What's the beginning letter? The beginning letter is Q. That's right. The word quail begins with the letter Q. What's the beginning letter? The beginning letter is I. That's right. The word igloo begins with the letter I. What's the beginning letter? The beginning letter is H. That's right. The word ham begins with the letter H. What's the beginning letter? The beginning letter is U. That's right. The word unicorn begins with the letter U. What's the beginning letter? The beginning letter is V. That's right, the word vase begins with the letter V. What's the beginning letter? The beginning letter is W. That's right, the word whale begins with the letter W. What's the beginning letter? The beginning letter is A. That's right, the word ant begins with the letter A. What's the beginning letter? The beginning letter is Y. That's right, the word yellow begins with the letter Y. Great job, everyone! You are amazing at finding the beginning letters. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be alphabet experts. See you next time for more fun learning.